What's going on, guys? It's Tyler with 918 Boats. Come with me as we step inside this 2026 Sylvan X5. So the first thing you'll notice here is it's a real open layout. Another thing I want to highlight is the floor in this is the SeaWeave floor. Water just rolls right off it. It doesn't hold and smell or anything like that. You have the optional changing table underneath here. You do have optional storage in the floor, as well as the raised helm here with some extra storage down in here. You have a removable tabletop here that can swivel. One thing I want to highlight is the seating arrangement on this boat. It's very open. You do have just your optional L-shaped seating here at the table. It is an optional swing back, so you can create the sun pad back here, as well as lifting this up back here to create the bar stool. So as you can see, it creates a full tabletop back here, plenty of bench seating back here, and you're able to move these bar stools around this whole entire tabletop.